Hi, today I am going to tell you how to make a slider using Elementor for free. So you are watching my channel Learn with me. My name is Nazir Ahmed. So let's begin. How, how can we make a slider using Elementor for free? So let me create a new page. So I will make a new page and name it a slider. So let me name it slider and click on edit with Elementor. So I basically want to show you how we can make the sliders in Elementor. So after that, after creating a page, so I will go to the plugins. So then click on add new plugin. After that, clicking on add new plugin, search for Sina, S-I-N-A. So after searching the Sina plugin, we have to install Sina extension for Elementor by Sina Extra. Install it, and after the installation of this plugin, we just need to activate this plugin. So after that, activating this plugin, so let me activate this plugin. So after activating this plugin, we just need to go to the Elementor, and click on the templates. So here are the templates. So click on the templates. So I will click on the save templates. So I will create a new template. So I will click on add new template, then select section from here. So just go down and click the section, and here give it a name. So I will give it a name slider 3. So then click on create template. So after that, creating a new template, so just go to the category here, then select the call to action button. So I will choose this one and insert it here. So I will choose this one and then I will insert it here. So okay, so I have created this one and I will publish it. So just go back. So I will go back and create a new template. So I will click on again add new template, then click on section and give it a name slider 4. So I will again create a new template. So I click on create a template. So after that, so we just need to go back to the my templates or just go to the blocks, and from here select call to action. I will choose the same one again and I will insert it. So for the difference, I will make the background, I will change the background from here. So I will make it, yeah, I just changed the background from here so we can make a difference from both the sliders. So then publish it. So after that, just go back and just go to the new page that we have created. So just click on the plus icon and then click on flexbox, then select a new container. So then you just need to publish it, and I just need to refresh it after that, after refreshing this, so let's just wait a few seconds. So after that, from here, just search for Sina. So you have to add the Sina section here. So I will search for Sina content slider. So I will just drag and drop it here. So after dropping it here, so I just need to show, I just want to go to the slider settings. So I just want to show one atom at a time. So I will click on one. So then I want to remove these blue dots from here. So I will click on dots. So it's removed now. So just go back to the slider content. And I have just two sliders, slider 3 and slider 4. I will remove this one as well. Then click on here. Then from here I just want to use save templates. Click on this one and choose your template from here. I have created slider 3, so I just choose this one. Then from here, so I will click on use save templates. Then from here I will choose slider 4. So okay, so from here I have choose slider 3 and here I have choose the slider 4. So we just need to go to the style tab and I will make the height, yeah, I think I will make it, yeah, one, I will make it 900 or just make it so it's okay. So you can see it now. So it's our slider, it's covering our screen. So now I just want to update it. Let's preview it. So you can see here is our slider. So let me remove the padding and I will make it 0 and just go back to the content, and from here I will make it full width. So from here I will make it full width. So now it's okay. I will update it again. So let's go back here. So you can see now here our slider is, you can see our slider. So yeah, you can see here is our slider. So I just want to remove the padding from here. So I will click here and just go to the slider settings and just scroll down. So it's okay. So just go to the style tab and just go to the advanced tab and make the margin 0 and padding 0. So just update it again. So now you can see here is our slider. So we can change the design of dots as well. So we just need to go to the style tab, content tab, and from slider setting we can change the slider, we can change the slide style as well from here. So we go to the nav and dots, so we can change the color as well. So just scroll it down. So I want to make it black. So and I will update it. So now you can see here you can see the dots. So let me go from here and go to the advanced and let's make the margin 0 and the padding 0. So now from here you can see here is our perfect slider. Thank you so much for watching this video.